What up, y'all? This is Alan with ACM Roofing and Repair, teaming up with MB Home Solution. And this is what we got going on today on Saturday. Beautiful day, by the way. The air show's in Cleveland this week. Might get to go tomorrow, we'll see. But let's take a look at what we've got going on. So I'm gonna walk you over here. The drain tile's already been buried. I've posted some photos of this all, but here we go. So we dug trenches. We've laid in gravel, then laid in tile, then laid gravel over the tile, then some cloth over that, and then dirt over top of that. And the reason for this is, as you can see, these pads. So the neighbor poured this side, and then I poured the other side. He brought us in to help him with the job, kind of realized it might be a little too much. And that's okay, you know. Sometimes we set out to do things and don't realize how much it's gonna be. So, as you can see here, they're covered right now, but I have tiles running parallel out from the walls, 2 of them. And then on the back side, we have a tile back there as well. Right now I'm working on the retaining wall. So a lot of brick and a lot of mortar. I'm gonna do a red face on that when we get finished up. And then over on this side is where I poured my form. So then again, on this form, we'll be building the brick wall as well. It's going to be a retaining wall. The reason we added the drains is because there was a retaining wall here originally, but the retaining wall was holding all the water, and because of that, the ground pushed the wall over. So this time around, we're adding tile and drains to allow for some of that water to drain out. And if we walk around here over to the corner, I got my boy Darius mixing some mud. It's getting a little full on him, so I'm gonna let y'all go so I can give him a hand.